Not everyone can afford to go to college. Pursuing higher education requires a large sum of money to cover all the necessary expenses, such as tuition fees, books, and living costs. Without enough funds, getting a degree may be difficult. However, you can still attend college even without money if you can secure financial assistance. Several types of educational funding can help pay all or a large portion of your college costs. A student loan is a type of financial aid that enables you to pursue a college degree without having to worry about educational expenses. In this video, we'll help you understand how student loans work and how they can help fund your college education.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
What is a student loan? An education or student loan is a sum of money that students can borrow to pay for their college expenses. Like other types of loans, students must repay the loan with interest. Student loan repayments, however, are typically put on hold while you are still enrolled in a school. You are only obliged to pay after you graduate so that you can focus mainly on finishing your degree. Some student loans even defer the payments for 6 months after graduation, also referred to as a grace period, allowing you to find a job before you start repaying the loan. Types of student loans. A wide variety of student loan options are available, but they can be roughly classified into two broad categories: federal and private loans. Federal student loans. The federal government offers financial assistance to students who want to pursue a college degree through federal student loans. Most students prefer federal loans because they have lower interest rates than private ones. Applying for a federal student loan requires you to complete a free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. The information you supply to the FAFSA form will be the basis of your eligibility for federal funding. Typically, the loan amount is determined by the projected total cost of education at your intended institution. If you are eligible for and accept a federal loan, the government will send the principal loan amount directly to your chosen school to cover tuition and other fees. Any remaining funds are given back to you, which you can use to cover other expenses you may incur while studying. Private student loans. Some federal student loan packages may not be enough to cover all educational expenses, necessitating students to borrow additional funding from banks or other private institutions through private loans. Like any conventional loan, most private student loan applications require a credit check. Private student loans offer financial aid to students in a manner similar to that of federal funding. However, the interest rates of private loans are relatively higher than those on federal loans. Additionally, some lenders may require you to start making payments while you are still in school. Things to consider before taking out a student loan. Education cost. Attending college is expensive. Before taking out a student loan, consider the total amount of debt you will have to repay after graduation. According to the Federal Reserve, the average monthly payment on a student loan is $393. When you add other monthly expenditures, such as mortgage payments and utility bills, you can see how your outstanding student loan debt can quickly strain your budget. Unless you have a high-paying job, you may experience financial difficulties. Financial goals. A student loan may compromise your financial goals. Paying back student loans could take years, even decades, especially if you accumulate a significant amount of debt. You may have to delay or give up your plans to buy a house or save for retirement. Alternative funding. It is important to consider all financing options before committing to expensive student loans. There are alternative educational funding available that can help you go to college without incurring debt, such as scholarships, grants, or work-study programs.
We hope this animated video has helped improve your financial literacy. We do our best to provide actionable tips that are easy to digest and implement in real life. If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment what makes you feel inspired, motivated, and excited. Thank you so much. That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.